Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I want to just give you an update on our poultry farm in regards to this house that we built, the safe place for the chicks. I wanted to give you a review after a period of more than a month. What is actually happening? We've realized that before we constructed this structure here, we were losing a lot of chicks. We were making videos, but you couldn't see chicks. So today I want you to see the difference by yourself. As you can see inside, we have now hens with the chicks that are still very young, and outside we have chicks that are older. I'm here with Christine and her friends. We are all at the farm. Say hello. Christine, say hello to people.
Hello.
Well, hello.
Hello.
Yes. These are my young farmers, and we are here at the poultry farm. So the thing is, the chicks have increased, and the population of the hen is increasing dramatically since we started controlling the rats. Great thanks to the person who supported us with this structure. We are so happy for whatever is happening. I love you all and see you in the next video. Bye.
Shalelo ninyo hile kumutihinyi nereva sina shesi mberuwa ngabuli shesi ndolaho shosi iwe niyo wamba neyanga sena huwa sina nengamba oshesi nyala na huwa hurusaho obwisaya nina weba oshesi nyala wa huwa hurusaho obwisaya byosi bibyewe Dolenera asibala nibilimo byanziyangisa weniolisa binywinywi zisolo atwela niba bantu nereho mundu niye awasina nengamba oshesi nyana huwa urusaho obwisaya nina weba oshesi nyala wamuwa urusaho obwisaya